Buenos dias! We just finished up our last day in Santa Teresa and we're heading over to Monte Verde today. And I wanted to do a little vlog video of our trip over to Monte Verde. It's like a little cloud forest in Costa Rica and I'm super excited to see it. This is my second time out of the country and it's been really incredible. We went and did a bioluminescence tour last night. I've never seen bioluminescence, but it was so magical. It felt like you were swimming in the stars. It was incredible. Anyways, we will be traveling, we're gonna drive, I think 5 hours today over to Monte Verde. So bear with us. So this began our little journey. We first stopped and got some breakfast at this cafe and it had this adorable cat. Oh my gosh, just look at him. He's so cute. And then my dad got that matcha, which was so cute. And I got this delicious breakfast, like egg sandwich thing. It might be the best thing that I've eaten there so far, which is kind of lame, but oh my gosh, it was so good. Anyways, this is part of our drive. This drive was the worst. Oh my gosh, this truck literally had a fire going in the back of it. What was going on? Dad thinks it had to do with bees, but I don't know anything about that. We stopped at a little gas station to get some snacks. Oh my god, I ate so badly this day. Like, it was bad. We were on a time crunch. And I also started not feeling so good during this car ride. I think it was because I didn't have very much, like, good stuff to eat. Alright, so we've made it to the hotel. I really was not feeling good on the car ride. Like, I don't I don't know. I don't think I've had enough, like, good stuff to eat today. So we went to fix that. We went to this really nice like little Italian place for dinner, got a pizza and dessert. Holding up a three-fingered peace sign. It's supposed to be like a parrot.
It's very civilized.
Tell me what we're doing right now.
We're in Africa having breakfast at a hotel. We're in Costa Rica having breakfast at a hotel. It's extremely civilized. We're really roughing it right now.
Problem bigger tropes. We've seen 30, 40 of them together. I mean, lots of them.
Look, come. Look at the phone. Look at the phone. No, it's the monkey.
So as you probably guessed, we went on a morning hike led by a tour guide. He was amazing. He knew how to spot the wildlife so well, and you could tell he was really passionate about his job. This place was super cool. It's actually privately owned reserve, and that's because the Costa Rican government doesn't actually like have very many national forest reserves and stuff. So this place reserved their land, and only 3% of the land is open to hikers, which is incredible because I felt like we were on like such long trails and stuff. But anyways, it was so beautiful, and we were lucky enough to see a toucan at the end of our hike, which was so cool. There was so many different fun animals that we got to see during our time here that I've just never seen in the wild. But this was by far the most magical part of the hike, was the hummingbirds at the very end. It was incredible how close you could get to them. As you can see, there's a lot of green ones, and then there will be a big purple one that you'll see soon. And that's like the big male bird of the family, and oh my gosh, what I would give to be a hummingbird sunbathing. Like, that is heaven on earth. I came back from the hike and I was so tired. I just like knocked out and accidentally took a 3-hour nap. It was crazy. I had a dream that a parrot tried to eat my face. So it's my sister's birthday today, and they went back. My mom and my sister didn't go on the hike this morning, so they went back to the hummingbird place that we went to, and I think they went over to like a different reserve. We're all gonna go around the table and ask Lexi questions about her birthday. What's your name? What's special about today? How old are you?
7.
What do you look forward most to during your year of being 17?
Being dancing.
What is one goal you have during this year of being 17?
These are hard questions.
Think of one for you.
What? Running. Driving. That's embarrassing.
Dad, what's your one question for Lexi? Okay, we'll give you some easy questions. What's your favorite animal?
Cat.
What's your favorite quote?
It's that one where it's like, pain is weakness leaving the body. That's my favorite.
That's a good one.
What is another epic thing that is going on, a worldwide phenomenon that you just got to experience?
Oh, I went to Taylor Swift.
What was your favorite song that she performed?
I like all of them.
All of them. That's very valid. What was your favorite album by Taylor Swift?
Well, I dressed as her album Fearless, but I really like her new one, and I like Red in 1989.
Which album do you think she's gonna release Taylor's version as next?
Well, she just did. It's the last one. It's 1989.
She just released it?
No, she's going to.
Oh, that's your prediction? That's a good prediction. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's caramel. Good morning. So we are about to start hiking up in the Monte Verde mountains.
Yeah, process it and
Unfortunately,
follow
my
up with
sister's
Justin,
not
'cause
feeling
I'm,
super good, so she
I'm
had to
out of
stay
town.
behind.
I'm gonna be in
But
Boston.
I'm really looking forward to it.
Okay.
Mom, how are you feeling pre-hike?
I'm feeling excited about the hike. It's really beautiful so far.
Dad? At the butterfly? Wait, I have to get a video of this. It's so pretty.
I'm doing well.
So cute. This is convincing me to get back into horseback riding right now. I'm so happy. How are you feeling post-hike?
It was awesome.
Dad?
Pura vida. Pura
Dad,
vida.
put
I think this might be homemade ice cream. Mine is.
Good morning. It's our last morning in Costa Rica. We're heading back on the plane today, and it's gonna be a little bit wild for me. We're gonna be getting back into California at about 1 in the morning, and then I have tomorrow to completely pack for college. I haven't started yet, and then I move in the very next day. So I'm gonna try to make a move-in vlog for my sorority house, but stay tuned because it's gonna be wild. Made back in the United States, and I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna try to edit it all. Here we have a 3-hour layover and get it scheduled, and then I'm gonna start filming my packing and move-in vlog for my sorority. Bye. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Woot woot.
Thanks.
Go to the gate.
Dad,
No more 0.5.
it's not 0.5.
Okay, what do you want to know?
Tell the people what to do. You're supposed to tell them to subscribe.
Oh, subscribe.